Everybody, so today what I'm going to do is I have a customer who needs a bunch of luggage tags laser engraved. So I'm just going to show you, it's not really a tutorial, but more of my thought process of how I do this stuff. So here's kind of what it looks like. It's just a luggage tag here, and she wants to have the company's name put on the back of these. So some of the things I do is, since I have a larger laser, I don't want to just do one at a time, and it kind of works like a printer. It goes back and forth as it engraves, or as it rasters, and it moves down slowly. So just to do, if I laid them out this way here, it would take a long time because the laser has to travel this way all the way down. So more efficiently, it's better to put it this way and let the laser just go further left and right, and then it'll actually finish the job much quicker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some dimensions down and then go into Corel and get the layout. So the first thing I want to do is I want to measure all the way across and see what I have here. And then what I'm going to do is, even though I know I can only laser in this section here, I still need to know how big this whole luggage tag is, because it's going to fit end to end. So I'm going to measure these and take down the dimensions, and then I'll put that in Corel. Then I'm going to make another rectangle, which is just this dimension here, from here to here, and I'll put that one in there as well. And then once I'm done, we'll send the job over to the laser, and we'll get that all created. So in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and lay these out inside of it. And so it looks like I could go about 5 all the way across, and I could actually start doing more like this and go all the way and try to lay the whole table out, which would basically let me start the job and just let it run and work on something else while it happens. But I'm going to go ahead and just do these 5 here so you can kind of get the concept of what I'm doing. So I'm going to switch over to the computer and we'll do that, and then we'll switch back over to the laser actually doing the rastering. Okay, so what we've seen so far is that we have a luggage tag that we need to laser engrave or raster on, and what we're doing is we're doing a Mazda logo here for the customer. So I measured it, and the overall length of the tag is 5.875 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start this out up in this corner, and I don't actually want it right on the line. I come off just a little bit because of the thickness of the tag, and then the actual engraving part, the actual rectangle part of it, is 4.75 inches. So I'm going to actually grab these two pieces, and I'm going to, let's see, I don't want to do that. I want to align them this way horizontally, and then I'm going to bring it to the right hand side here. I want to line them up. So I hit R to line these two boxes up. And then I'm going to take the logo and I'm going to choose the smaller rectangle, and I hit E and C to center it. So now the tag will look like this. This will be the rounded part of it, and the Mazda logo will be centered right on the engravable part. So from here, what we want to do is I want to duplicate this, and so I know this is 5.875. I'm going to copy that. I believe it's Alt F7. Oops, not Alt F7. Control F7. Oh, I think I had it right the first time. Alt F7. Yeah. And I want to duplicate this stuff over and over and over. So I'm going to put that and I'm going to duplicate that over and over and over and over 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so now that means I should be able to butt these up inside the laser so they will be perfectly straight, and it should be the same exact spot for each one. And eventually at the end, like I said, I have like about 30 of these to do. I would grab all these here and I'd bring it down as well if I want to do, and just continue to do this. And I can line them all up, and I can do a whole rows of them. And that's what I'll eventually do. But just for this example, I'm just going to do straight across here. So I don't want to do the red line. I just want to engrave this. So I'm going to choose the Mazda logo here. I'm holding Shift to select these. I'm going to go File, Print, just the selection, and I'm going to go into the ULS driver. I already have a setting for doing cork. So I'm going to go in here and choose my cork setting for rastering. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to print this out, and it's going to send the Mazda logo over to the laser. And I'm going to go to the control panel here, and it's all ready to go. So all I need is power this on and send it to the engraver, or to the laser. So we'll go ahead and watch that in a few seconds. Okay, it's all finished up, and here's what you get. So luggage tag is all done. And that's it. So next time around, I'll put a whole bunch more, and I can layer the whole laser bed with them and get them all done. And that's just a more efficient way of lasering everything instead of doing it one by one.